Hey guys, welcome back to the Notes 10 video. Guys, in this video we will discuss when you try to update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. So you may check, guys, I am updating it latest iOS 18 version, but my update is stuck on preparing update. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply, guys, you may just go back, and first of all, guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. So let's say, guys, you may open settings, and if you're connected to Wi-Fi, you may click here on Wi-Fi and click here on Wi-Fi name, and here is the option of forget this network. So you may click here and connect it again. After this, guys, you may go back, and if you're connected to mobile data, you make sure that your 3G, 4G or 5G is working properly. After this, guys, here the option of screen time, so you may turn this off. Then you may click here on general, and here is the option of date and time, so you may click here and click on set, automatically turn this on. After this, guys, you have the option of transfer and reset iPhone. Click on reset and click on reset network settings. Then, guys, you may go back, and you may just click here on software update again. So let's say click here on general and click here on software update, and you will check your problem will be fixed. After some times this may take 5 to 10 minutes, and after 5 to 10 minutes this will be finished automatically, and you can install your update easily. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.